What is it now, Arthur? A motivator? What's wrong with the hyperdrive motivator? Well, fix it, and hurry. Don't insult me, you overblown scrap pile. At least I'm doing my job. Yes, I am. So just you get back to fixing that hyperdrive motivator.
We all passengers must have flight passes. Pick them up around the corner. They're complimentary. Just give them back when the flight's over. That's all. Keep it moving. Keep it moving.
Excuse me, Captain.
Who are you?
C3 here, assistant analyst.
It's about time. The binary motivator's acting.
Well, binary is like a second language to me, but I can't fix the motivator from here.
Just make it quick. We're scheduled to depart in a few minutes.
Then there's no time to lose. Off with you. Go on. Shoot. Tell the droids. Ready. What? Oh, now this is malfunctioning too. This could take longer than I thought.
Please prepare for immediate boarding.
Now boarding.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401. That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
No. Excuse me. You don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 129.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Step right there.
Don't shoot.
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I've never seen that human before.
A fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
Arthur, where are we going? We just passed the end on moon. Fix those engines immediately! You know I can't swim! And neither can you! Hang on! What a ghastly place! Go away, beastly thing! Go away!
I am Lando Calrissian with the Resistance.
General Calrissian. Nice to see a familiar face.
Well, it's good to see you too. And you too, R2. Listen, the First Order is rallying its forces. We need your help. A rendezvous with the coordinates I'm transmitting. Good luck.
R2, I really don't think we should watch it. R2, are you sure these are the right coordinates? Watch out!
Now will come.
I heartily concur.
Execute them.
To where are we going?
All right, we'll take it from here.
Well done. Now let's go. We'll be safe here, Batu. I hope. Yes, Batu. I believe this adventure is just beginning. What are you looking at?
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Ensure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.
That's